Hold up, come take a ride with me, and if you see to be straight, I was loyal, kind enough with simplicity. From a place that was called a princely state from history, storing chronics of the king, ancestral identity. See our colors that define the forward symbolic designs. Undividable texts, keep that always in your mind. So hold your head high, keep shining on in pride. Be down for the people until the day you die. As long as culture less will represent the origin. Stick to what you do, we can make a new begin. Carried away with selfish kids, they were fooled by these tricks. Switch inside with enemies, cheated friends for profit hits. I hate to hear propaganda, evil fuckers, hypocrites. Breaking lot of clap trap, lying brick upon the bricks. We are trapped in a cage, feeling autonomy is the case. Anxious about the future, equality is the aim. They don't want it, so they play all these familiar games. Make it dramatic and change, skipping everything we did. Beat the fact is no one cares if you choose to stay silent. Worse